G'day campers, Justin the Wayward Aussie. In front of me I have two folding knives from nCamp. They come in a nice leather case, walnut handle, they come in walnut or beech, and then you open that up and you have a good quality chef's knife. And then in the other box, that walnut handle, and that one has a beautiful Sanctu shape to it, so it's got that real straight blade. So I'm going to ask my trusty assistant to bring in our potatoes and our pot, and we're going to see how these things chop. Come on in. For a folding knife, that's actually got a good feel to it. There's no movement, it's solid, it cuts well. So that's the Sanctu blade. Let's try the chef's knife, shall we? Right. Oh, that cuts like butter. That is a really good blade for this type of work, for chopping up your potatoes. The nCamp knives in the walnut finish, these would make a great addition to any camp setup. Check out the fold mechanism. There we go, that's ready to get packed away. Sanctu, that is beautiful. So great addition to any camping kit. I'm going to have some dinner. Do you want to come and cook these spuds? Thanks mate, we'll see you inside. See yous.